Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to view OnlyFans profiles for free in 2025. So what you need to do is go to this website, tweakmod.com, and we can actually get the OnlyFans mod on this site. So let me just go to the search bar and I'm just going to type in only, and as you can see, we got OnlyFans popping up. So just press install, guys, and it's going to start downloading the mod. So that's the website, tweakmod.com. So we're just going to wait for it to download here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super insane, guys, and OnlyFans sucks because they charge you like $50 a month to view profiles, but now we can actually view them for free. So this is super cool. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to give it a second to load up, and we should be good to go, guys. So that's how to get the OnlyFans mod for iPhone and Android. Super cool. Now, before it downloads, you are going to see this thing come up that says missing files. So we need to download the missing files to get the OnlyFans mod. So they're basically these like games, and what we have to do is like reach a certain level on them. So this one says reach level 10. So I would just press on it. It brings me over here, press continue to Travel Town and download Travel Town and reach level 10. Now bear in mind, guys, this is just one of the games. There are many other ones. We've got misplay, text now, you have to make a 30-second call, PDF reader, stay in the app for 20 minutes. So just do whatever you can do, guys. There is a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get the OnlyFans mod and view all OnlyFans profiles for free. There's no more paying, there's no more crying, there's no more shelling out $50 a month to view an OnlyFans profile, guys. We can easily get OnlyFans profiles for free. So this is super cool. And it fully works, guys, so I hope you enjoyed, but that's how to view all OnlyFans profiles for free. Just make sure you download at least 2 of the apps and follow the instructions, and you should be all set. So yeah, it's super cool, so I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead, subscribe to the channel, because this is super epic, and it fully works, guys. So yeah, peace out, bro.